Good evening, dumelang, goeienaand. So it is 6 minutes past 10, and we just locked in our deal. So I'm so excited. I'm ecstatic because I said today we're gonna buy something, and I'm like, hey, I've got like 800 rand to buy something, and I'm getting a little bit concerned because I'm not sure what we're gonna buy and actually make a profit on. So I went on Cash Converters, and I was like looking the entire day at trying to buy something on Facebook Marketplace throughout the entire country. About buy in George, very good deals, Cape Town, Pretoria, wherever. But this one I found on Cash Converters. And the great thing about Cash Converters is they actually give you a warranty. So for the next 6 months, whatever we're buying, it's not like the projector. So this thing is gonna work. And we bought it for $6.99 plus shipping of about $120. And these things sell, it's a Lexar external SSD. Now, with the current prices with AI and all of that, these things are so expensive. They say it's either going to be, because it's not stipulated, it's either going to be a 1 terabyte, a 2 terabyte, a 4 terabyte. And then these things sell for around about between 2,000 up to about 8,000. It can be more. If it's the 4 terabyte, like, then we're going to get about probably 10,000 rand for it. So let's see and let's hope. So you'll see, it's not that I'm a gambler, but I know when something is a good deal, I lock in. I just lock in, and then because I know it's gonna be profit. I mean, if the thing comes here and there's no SSD in there, I'll just send it back, but that won't happen. So with Cash Converters, I'm very comfortable. So I'm gonna just, like, I'll just post put in a small clip of what it actually looks like, what we bought, and then it'll arrive Monday if I've got it correct, and then I'll speak to you guys. I'm excited now because this can either be a medium-sized win or it's going to be a big win. And then I'm excited about next week because we're actually doing our first online auction. I'm doing it with you guys. So there we buy the bargains. We buy the bargains for like 100 rand, 200 rand, and then I've bought on those auctions then I buy like for 50 or 100 rand, then I sell it for 6,000 rand. So those things happen on auction, especially online auctions, because you can I go and Google a lot, especially now with AI. So I go and Google just with taking a picture and looking at what's the thing worth, and then go and look at the second-hand industry. So let's see, but I'm excited. Things are starting to happen now. I was getting a little bit concerned tonight because I thought, hey, I said I'm going to buy something, but I'm not going to buy something at a loss. It's against my principle. Don't lose money, rather give it away. So yes, I'll keep you guys posted. I'm excited, and then I'll speak to you. So just to give you guys an idea what we bought, this is what it looks like. It can actually hook up to your phone as well because it's got a little magnet at the back. It's a very cool little device. And they sell new for about, I mean, this is the price, 4,300 rand that they're selling now for One Bob Shop. So if we can get 2,500 rand for it, it'll be a good win. So that was just to show you guys.